Hello traders, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna share my recent trade which trade on HDFC life insurance and the reason behind the trade. From this particular trade we made a profit of 23,000 rupees. We recommended this stock on our Telegram group. Please join our group. First of all, we need to find market trend. From the long term perspective, we can see market is in a bullish trend. Then we can draw Fibonacci retracement to know where the market will get the support and resistance. Draw Fibonacci from the bottom level to the top. Then we can draw horizontal resistance and support zone. Then we can draw parallel channel to understand the market movement. Then we can draw another horizontal resistance and support zone. We can place a long position above this level. When it got triggered, then we can place the stop loss and target as well. Then we can draw another parallel channel. We can see a cup handle pattern here. And also we can see another pattern, double bottom pattern. So we can place a long position above this level. When it got triggered, then we can place the stop loss and target. The long position got triggered, so we can place stop loss below this level and keep the target 1:2 risk reward ratio. We won the trade and we booked the target 1:2 risk reward ratio and we booked the target 23,000 rupees. This is my console P&L report, future and option, HDFC life insurance, date August 27. We can see profit around 23,000 rupees. We shorted 700 put option and 710 put option as well. Reason behind the trade: first of all, market is in a uptrend. We follow the trend. From the long time perspective, we can see market is in a bullish trend. Second reason, market gets support at 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. It's healthy retracement level as well. Third reason, we can see a parallel channel breakout. Fourth reason, we can see a cup handle pattern. It also got breakout happened here. And fifth reason, we can see a double bottom pattern and it also break the neckline as well. Sixth reason, we can see it's a demand zone. So this sixth reason we took the trade and we booked the target 1:2 risk reward ratio. If you get any knowledge about price action strategy, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.